Today we got a video from Real Body Cams, and the title of the video is "She was free to go. She chose to be right instead."
On October 17, 2025, officers in Florida got a call from a manager at Dollar Tree reporting that a shoplifter had shoved her before fleeing on foot with multiple bags of chips. The manager described the suspect as a woman wearing all black, a backpack, and distinctive bright orange socks. Arriving on scene, officers quickly spotted a woman matching that exact description just across the street at a Little Caesars. Here's what the officers did next.
Stop right there. Margate Police.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Do me a favor, come to the front of my vehicle.
Okay, I'll just buying pizza.
Huh?
I'll just buying pizza.
That's fine. Just do me a favor, put the pizza up there. Alright. Do me a favor, just remove the backpack.
Sure.
Alright. You have no weapons on you, nothing like that? Any weapons in your backpack?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right, do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. Right now, you're being detained pending a criminal investigation, okay?
What's the investigation?
Possible theft and a battery across the street. Yes, ma'am.
And theft? Against who?
Huh?
Battery and theft against who?
Huh? We're gonna figure all that out, but right now you're gonna be detained pending that criminal investigation, okay?
You said theft and battery against who?
Huh? Across the street.
Could I cross the street?
No, across the street, ma'am.
Okay, what did I do?
Okay, well, once we gather all the facts and circumstances, we'll be able to explain it more thoroughly to you.
How would you know it's me?
Because you are a person matching the exact description, wearing all black, backpack, and orange socks.
Okay, so someone described me. You
Yes,
never know
ma'am.
if it's true or not.
Well, we are going to do a show-up identification to positively identify or not identify you, okay? But right now, you are being detained pending a criminal investigation, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Steph, I want to know what's the law.
You're good. Well, I'm
I wanna
going
read
to
it.
explain to you the law.
I wanna
right
read
now.
it.
Right now, you don't get to read the law.
Why not?
Listen.
I'm a U.S. citizen.
You are matching the description of
Are you
somebody.
laughing?
You are matching the description of someone involved in a crime. We have the right
You
to
shouldn't even tell
detain
me what
you.
the crime
Listen
is.
to me. You're not listening. You're asking all these questions and you're not listening to us.
Okay.
So
I can repeat
listen
back
for
what
a
you
second.
said.
You match the description of somebody involved in a crime.
Correct,
We have the
he
right to
said that.
detain you and investigate that crime. And we also have the right to identify you. And if you fail to identify yourself, you're
Okay.
going to be arrested.
Okay.
Okay?
I heard you.
Can you please provide this officer with your name?
I would like, no, the answer is no. I would
Okay,
like to
that's-
know the law.
That's fine.
I want to read the law myself.
What's explained to you?
What law?
You're saying because I matched the description.
Yes.
That's
That gives
it.
us the right to detain you pending further investigation. I didn't say
Okay.
you're under arrest, okay? So there's a big difference between being detained pending a criminal investigation and being under arrest.
Okay.
When you're under arrest, you will be read your rights if we ask you any questions pertaining to the
Okay.
crime. All right,
I don't know what the crime even is.
I told you, a possible theft and a possible battery.
I want to know what the law is as far as detaining me.
He was explaining
Based on,
that when
I didn't even finish.
You.
He just explained it to you. You weren't even here.
I walked up right as he was explaining
He
it to you.
talked to you. You didn't speak to him yet.
So again, a crime was committed across the street. All right.
No.
The description,
You're
the
interrupting.
description was given of a
I would like to
female.
know of
She got the sergeant together, boy. I ain't gonna lie, the black chick, she got that sergeant together. I ain't gonna lie to you. She said, "You wasn't even here. He had to explain it to you." He pretty much like, yo, quiet that down, man. You listen to him, man. That was funny. You gotta admit that was pretty funny.
law
again,
and before. Let me finish
Okay,
your
no, you're
question.
not letting me finish.
You said it twice now.
The
I'm letting
description
you know.
even went so far as to say the female was last seen going into Little Caesars.
Really?
I caught you red-handed with a pizza in your hand from Little
purchased
Caesars.
the pizza, correct. That's not of the ordinary. I'm asking you what the law is as far as detaining me without seeing any footage, without having any witness. This so-called
We do
theft
have
and
witnesses.
battery. This so-called
We
theft
have
and
police?
battery.
Okay.
This so-called theft and battery. I want to see footage of it first. I already said I want a lawyer twice to you. I want to know what the law is as far as detaining someone without letting the person know what exactly happened. I want a lawyer. That's it.
Okay, well, again, I'm not asking you any questions pertaining to the crime. So,
I'm asking to see what the law is. I want to read what the law says in regards to what's happening. It's the third time saying it to you. You'd rather stare at him and make faces. Whatever
I'm staring at you, but nothing seems to be going through your head.
That way, staring at him.
Man, we've explained it like 10 times to you. So.
All right.
Then don't explain anymore.
So,
We asked you for you.
You signed up for this job. You signed up for this job to explain.
And we
So you should be able to
explained
explain it without feeling frustrated. You can relax.
Ma'am, we
I'm the
explained
one that's
everything
being
to you.
detained, so I should be able to say what
Correct.
I'm saying to
And
you.
we
But if you're
explained
getting
everything to
frustrated over
If you aren't going to identify
where's the
yourself,
sergeant? I'll speak to the sergeant then.
I'm here.
I would like to speak to, no, I'll speak to a different sergeant. Who's
okay.
above you?
Okay.
Who's above you?
No one.
There's no one above you.
Not today. Nope. I am it.
So you pay yourself. Who pays you? Why is it funny to just answer?
The city of Margate.
I want to speak to the city of Margate.
Oh, okay.
I'm a representative of the city of Margate.
I would like to speak to the city of Margate. That's what
City
that
of
pays
Margate.
you.
How do you speak to a city?
So you want to say dumb?
No, I'm asking.
I'm asking you the question. Who pays you? Are you getting it or no?
All
Who
right.
pays you?
What? Do you have a specific
I want to
question
speak to
right
the
now?
sergeant above you.
There's
Who's the
not.
sergeant
Well,
above you?
sergeants aren't above each other.
Okay, so
We're
who's above you? I want to speak to the person who's actually in charge of you.
I'm more than happy to answer. the
Okay,
questions
then
you
go
have,
ahead and
but I
answer.
tried
I'm
to
waiting
help
for
you
it.
when you walked up
I'm waiting
and
for it.
you were
Give me the name. Are you able to or no?
No.
Wow. I want to speak to someone that's competent, that's able to give me a name of who's
Ma'am,
above
when
the sergeant.
Come on, see, this is the part that I don't like. I really don't like when officers keep engaging with the suspects when the suspects they just talking out their ass, man. They just talking to hear themselves speak. You know what I mean? They just love to hear the sound of their own voice. I wouldn't respond to her. You explained it once, maybe explain it twice to her what's going on, and that's it. Let her talk to her goddamn self.
I tried to answer a question
Just,
for
if you're
you,
not able
and
to
you were
say
rude,
no.
and you
If you're not
continued
able
to talk
to, you
over
lied.
us.
You say he spoke to you, and he's the one that spoke to me first walked up. You came from around that side.
No, I didn't. You didn't see
Oh
me.
my
I was
gosh,
behind you.
wow.
My car is behind you.
Okay, we have cameras.
Okay,
Pretty sure they
we
can
do.
see it.
Okay.
Correct. So he was
So
here
let's
first.
back up.
He came. I'm
Okay,
going
let's
step
back
by.
up.
I'm going step by step.
I am too. When
He
from
came
when I
here
got
first.
here. Okay, ma'am.
He came next.
You don't want to
came
listen.
last.
Okay, you don't want to listen.
I'm saying the exact truth what happened, but you don't want to listen to me. I want to speak to the person that's in charge. I want to speak to
You're
the
in her
person that's
presence.
Okay, if it's that hard for you to keep trying, don't bother. I want to see the person in charge of you. You're saying there's no one in charge of you. You're high as it goes. What's your name? Cassie? Okay.
Hi, ma'am. What's your first name?
I'm not giving out my name. I want to speak to a
You're
lawyer.
required by law to.
Hi.
I want to speak to the person that says where the law states. I want to read it. If you can't read,
If you fail to identify
don't
yourself,
do it.
you will be charged with an additional crime.
Okay, you're going to charge me for additional crime for something I didn't even do. You don't even show me proof of. I want to read the law to me. I want to speak to the
Do me
person
a
in
favor,
charge.
look over there.
Why is that? You want to shoot me? Is that what it is? Is you guys got going on?
Oh,
I'm speaking to him, not you. I want to speak to the actual sergeant. Someone is above you, not you. I want to speak to an actual sergeant.
I
That's
thought you were
it.
doing a show.
No. I'm gonna do a pat down, and we're
Are
gonna
you doing
move
a-
on with life since she's refusing
I don't know if
to
it's gonna be entry, but
identify
why not?
herself
Yeah.
for crime.
Come on, bro.
I'm gonna pat you down.
Okay.
Can you look forward, please?
You don't have to grab me. I'm already
Well,
standing right here.
so
I'm
do
not.
what I'm
I
doing.
haven't even moved.
You did
All
actually.
thing I move with my head. So you have to grab my arm for what?
Are they coming over for a show?
Continue to look forward, please.
I want to ask him his question. I want to find out what his name is.
Continue to look
I
forward,
am. You're
please.
trying to
while I
force
pat-
it. You're
while I
trying to
pat
force
you
it. You're
down.
not slick. You're trying to be extra.
I am forcing, yes,
I
because
haven't even moved my feet. All you do is move my what? My waist. So you're moving my waist for me?
money, or what is that in your pocket?
Correct. I want to speak to the actual sergeant. No, I'm gonna go as far as it goes. I'm still-
Sergeant.
So I'm letting you know that right now.
Sergeant Kitching.
No, I'll speak
Margate
to
Police
someone
Department,
bigger than
I'm
you.
here
You're just
to
not
assist
You're just not
you.
turning it on.
But-
It wasn't on before.
Okay.
Your body kind is not. Oh, now it's on.
We're all
You're
good.
welcome.
Do me a favor, move your hands.
Okay, you're Officer Freelander?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm Officer Seapot.
Right.
My badge number is 3512. Huh?
I asked you who you are.
Oh, I'm sorry. Must have got lost in the hubbub.
We asked for your identification.
I want the actual sergeant.
You are required to identify.
I want to speak to a sergeant. Okay, you're not able to give me a name, so don't bother. Keep saying I tried. Tried what? Just go ahead and get a person with a name.
My teleport skills have improved tremendously over the years.
Teleport skills.
All right, ma'am. Go ahead and have a seat in here.
Right, you can kill me off. Great.
What's that?
You can kill me off. Great.
What are you talking about?
Do what?
Right, what am I talking about? Sure. I'm talking to him.
Okay.
Freelander, you know.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Freelander.
Dollar Tree chose not to pursue charges for the retail theft. She repeatedly refused to provide her name and date of birth to the officers, but was later identified using facial recognition software. The suspect was charged with giving a false name to an officer and resisting an officer without violence. The suspect was issued a $200 bond, which she later posted. In court, she pleaded not guilty to both charges. At this time, the court case is still ongoing.
Unbelievable. So if she would have just gave her name, she would have been walking free back home with her pizza. Because they didn't decide that Dollar Tree or whoever, Dollar General or whatever the fuck it was, didn't decide to prosecute. All you gotta do is just give your name. That was it. You would have. All right, ma'am. See ya. You know. Whatever, man. That lady, man. It's a lot of crazy people in this world, man. She just talks and talks and talks and talks. I don't get it. Anyway, I think the officers did pretty good, man. 4 out of 5. You know, the only thing I say, I mean, I wouldn't keep engaging with her. You know what I mean? I'm not going to keep talking to you. Like, pointless. We're not getting anywhere. You don't want to listen. So whatever. 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.